we say it is strike slip, but its right lateral or left lateral nature decided, on the relative velocity of the plates. Same fault, same transfer fault can somewhere become right lateral, somewhere it can become left lateral. So it is not uniform all out its length. That is what Indian, the western side fault tells. You remember that one? See, suppose I will show you that name first. See, so this is the western transfer. This is the eastern transfer. Understood? The Indian plate is moving towards north. Angle नहीं हो रहा है ज़्यादा. So Indian plate is moving towards north. Western margin, eastern margin. So 90 degree is the eastern margin, and this is our fracture. That is how this one. Our fracture. 90 degree is this. This is the margin, and this is the Medusan grid margin. Here is the spreading zone. Here is the conjunct margin, the convergent margin, Himalayan subduction. Now this part should be, theoretically, this plate is moving this side, so it should be left plate, and this plate is moving this side, this plate is coming this side. This should be right plate, because Indian plate is moving towards north. That is not. But you see how it is behaving. Go like this. This part, where here this Medusan grid, this is one, this plate is moving like this, and this plate is moving like this. This part, but when you come to this side, here, this is moving like this is also moving like this. Follow this point. This part, this is moving like this is moving like this. So left hand. But when you come to this part, both are moving in the same direction. But still then, one is moving faster than the other. So this is moving faster. Like this ऐसे हो जाएगा. But if you see this part, this movement is like this. तो देख पाता है कि नहीं देख पाता है? Now if you go to the north, I will show you one more map. The northern part it is not showing. I will tell you. I will come back. Don't worry. Same thing. This one. Are you able to see? और आप सेट अल्लाह तो हो नहीं सकता है. क्या? नहीं. और यहाँ पूरा. आप देखो तो along the margin you see, you go from here to this point. You see how it varies. Now this part, you see between these two, this is moving towards this is moving towards this. देखा ना, ये पार्ट यही हो रहा है, but ये पार्ट now you come to this zone, it is opposite, this part is going this part is coming this. How do you explain? To see this part you can explain with respect to Medusan grid. This part how you will explain? Because this plate is not moving very fast, because this is a continental plate now. This is not moving, but collision has taken place. Whereas this part is the oceanic part, subductive. So this part is moving faster. That is why arrow has been put this. Same fault. Understood? Now when you go to Chaman fault means between Pakistan and India. दी एरो इधर आता है, इधर आता है, ये जाके दिस इज द सबडक्शन जोन, दिस इज द सबडक्शन जोन, मकराना सबडक्शन, ईरान और पाकिस्तान में मकराना जाके इधर इन द सन को ITSZ in the Santos future zone. So what type of arrow he has put? You see where? Here. Can you tell me why it is like this? ऐसा. Same fault. Sorry. एक मिनट है. ड्राइंग वाला कंप्लीट. Very important to understand, you know. This is the difference between transform fault and strike slip fault. Normal transcurrent and transfer, both are strike slip fault. But you see, same one fault only is showing different sense of shear. Sense of shear is just a relative matter, you know, along transform line. इधर क्यों ऐसा है? इधर इसीलिए ऐसा है. This is a trench. This is a trench. This is also a trench. Understood me? So this trench is between continent and the ocean. So ये जल्दी फास्ट मूव कर रहा है, इसलिए ये पॉइंट शिफ्ट होते जा रहा है. This is the problem. Here is a collision. It is almost fixed. It is almost fixed. It is not moving. So over million of years it is there. For last 20 million years at least it is there, but it is moving. That is why this plate is shown towards south. This is always north. This is this part, and this part. They have different sense of shear. But it does not say this plate is moving here, this way, this plate is moving here, this way, here, this way. It is not like that. The entire plate is moving towards north. But its margin, you know, is in touch with the different things, you know. Here one thing, here is another thing, here is another thing. The different things it is in touch. That is why they show different senses here. But if you come to 90 degrees, the other side, you know, यह तो पूरा सीधा है. ये मीडुसन में से चालू करके सीधा जाके इधर छोटा सा जोन में घुस जाता है. This is your Assam, you know, Assam, and this side is your Darjeeling, that narrow band, you know. This river is flowing somewhere here. It goes there. I'll come back to the time. So only one. There is no other contact. Both sides you can say ocean. So this is going. This is coming down. That is why one type of arrow is shown here. There are three types of arrows are shown here. So this is a very ideal example of transform margin. Transform margin do not show a single sense of shear, you know, all along its length. So when you go, the velocity factor will be like this. Velocity factor is like this. Velocity line is like this. Everything is on this line. Suppose I ask you, solve for this man. This is a triple junction. This is a triple junction. Triple junction between what and what? Between a flexor, trench, and a flexor. This is a TFF transform margin, triple junction. This one is a flexor, and wrist, flexor. This is another triple junction. These are all triple junctions, sir. This is a triple junction. This is a triple junction. Understood? And this is also a triple junction where this will go and touch. Here is also a triple junction. Suppose somebody asks you, see its stability. You just apply those things. So you should know there, you know, how to draw a velocity triangle. Velocity triangle you have to draw. Taking those three values into consideration and direction into consideration. So those lines have to be drawn as per their movement direction. Triangle may be possible, but they should be drawn that way only. Understood ना? Then velocity triangle के बाद velocity vector, velocity line. These three things. So velocity lines are drawn as per, suppose this is the triangle. This is the triangle ABC. ABC is the triangle. So suppose this is a fracture. So velocity lines are to be drawn over it for fracture. For mid-ocean degree, suppose this is a mid-ocean degree. This is a mid-ocean degree. So it should be drawn like this, halfway, perpendicular to it. Perpendicular to it. And now, suppose this is a trench. So which one is overriding? Suppose A is overriding. So this is to be drawn here. In that direction, the margin, over the margin you have to draw it. So if these three lines meet at one point, then only the triple junction is stable. If it is not meeting in one point, the triple junction is not stable. So you have to make corrections so that they meet at a single point. So what correction you have to make? These are the three things, three arms. So कैसे इसको vary करना, change करना, so that ultimately this will be the product. This will meet at one point. That is good. Follow this point now. That is the meaning of triple junction stability. Now, then I was telling about the San Andreas fault.
Sir, how do we ensure that this Owen fracture zone is continued till the ITC level?
Which one?
This Owen fracture zone is
Our fracture is where? Yeah.
Yes, is continued till the ITSZ.
Yeah, because the Indian plate, Indian plate and all these plates, which plates? African plates, Arabian plates, Iran plates. These are the plates which are in juxtaposition with Indian plates. So all along this margin there will be seismicities, earthquakes. Now suppose you take a profile like this, profile like this. So this is the zone where seismicity occurs. So then you can mark this margin. How this ITSZ is marked?
That is
Indian subduction zone is marked based on seismicity only. Otherwise it पहाड़ी है. यहाँ plate is going down. Plate is going down. How to know? So they find seismicity, with increasing depth. Suppose this plate is going down. This plate, Indian plate is going down. Like this, so you will be. This is China plate. China. This is the subduction zone. So you get यहाँ seismicity मिलेगा, shallow level seismicity, यहाँ intermediate level seismicity, deep level seismicity. They get. So there is a zone of a band of seismicity. The hypocenters vary in depth. The hypocenters close to India is shallow. As you go towards China, they become deeper and deeper. So, on basis of seismicity, we are defining the plate margins. That is the only way. Similarly, this part, how they are defining this margin? There are only mountain belts are there. You cannot see a fault is going like this. Only the mountain belts. So those mountain belts, if you continuously seismicity is happening. So if seismicity happens, you just take their values. Then you know how to do fault plane solution. I just tell you. I do not know in structural geology. It's a part in structural geology covered. Suppose you are sitting here. So always remember the seismicity happens because of faulting only. और कुछ कारण नहीं है. जितना आपको होता है ना, because of faulting only. So there is no second reason. Just ignore everything. If anything is there, कोई भी पत्ते magmatic eruption होता है, वो सब part of this faulting only. Magmatic eruption हो नहीं सकता unless there is a fault. कैसे हुई fault हो? Magmatic eruption हो ही नहीं सकते. Just cannot puncture something, so hard. It has to be broken first, then magmatic puncture will take. So earthquake takes place only when there is a fault. So only when there is a movement, there will be earthquake. So suppose here आप यहीं खड़ा है, यहाँ earthquake. So there will be fault. Suppose fault is going like this, ऐसे एक fault है. So this is I am standing to your north. ये north में खड़ा हूँ, south में खड़ा है. There is east west fault. ऐसे east west fault है. ऐसे east west fault है. यहाँ आपके बाद इसका मतलब है यहाँ पीछे एक fault है, उसे movement है. Understood ना? ये किसी से strike slip fault. आप immediately देख नहीं पाएंगे ना ये strike slip है कि क्या है. आप immediately cannot know it. So to know whether it is strike slip fault or a thrust or a normal fault, you know, you should do this fault plane solution. This is called fault plane solution. You should remember this thing. I will just tell the easier part of it. The deeper part, the intricacies, you please protect it. So when there is a earthquake, immediately you know, you just say there is a fault movement. The fault पहले था या fault अभी create हुआ, that is not your concern. There is a fault and there is a movement. Generally, it is a pre-existing fault. Fault just cannot be created now. Fault जो आर्कियन टाइम में हो गया है. Even प्रोटोजोइक टाइम में भी fault create नहीं हुआ. During फेनोजोइक टाइम में भी कोई नया fault create हुआ ही नहीं. Everything is based on the pre-existing factors. तो एक बार आप ट्रस्ट टूट गया ना, बस हो गया. It become very weak, you know. So whenever there is a stress, so those fractures will be reactivated only. New fault cannot be created. Only old fracture का ऊपर वो reactivation होता है. So this is a fault which is existing right from those old days, you know, and there is a movement. तो वैसे movement होगा ना. So all these areas, you know, you have seismographs. Professor मोहन है, Professor मोहन seismograph यहाँ डाल के रखे हैं. Surface का ऊपर, उसको record करेंगे. क्या record करेंगे? वो waves it is emitting the waves ना. तो those waves it will record. फिर waves दो टाइप के होता है. एक कैसे एक लॉन्गिट्यूड एक कंप्रेशनल वेव होता है, एक डिलेशनल वेव होता है. आप देखो ऐसे वेव सपोज यहाँ से वाइब्रेशन हुआ, तो ये वेव ऐसे माइग्रेट करेंगे ना, प्रोपेगेट ऐसे करेंगे ना, ऐसे ऐसे, तो ऐसे जाएगा, कंप्रेस हो जाएगा, ठीक उसके बाद डायरेक्ट हो जाएगा. जो वेव आता है जैसे पानी का ऊपर एक ऐसे चला गया, फिर नीचे वाला ड्रॉप होगा ना, ऐसे इमेजिन करो. एक कंप्रेशनल वेव चला जाएगा, डायलेशनल वेव जाएगा, कंप्रेशनल वेव जाएगा, डायलेशनल वेव जाएगा, ऐसे करके करके जाता है. सो व्हाट दिस मशीन्स रिकॉर्ड्स, यू नो, फास्ट क्या आगे पहुंचा उसका पास. व्हाट इज द फास्ट वेव दैट इज कमिंग? फास्ट रीचिंग वेव. पहले कौन सा आगे पहुंचा? ये कंप्रेशनल वेव और डायलेशनल वेव वो पहले रिकॉर्ड करता है. उसके बेसिस पे ही इज इंटरप्रेटिंग व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मोशन विल टेक प्लेस ऑन इट. दैट इज द थिंग. पहले कौन सा है, उसके बाद तो फिर और आएगा. सो मशीन रिकॉर्ड द फास्ट रीचिंग वेव. सो व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन देयर इज एन अर्थक्वेक ना, अर्थक्वेक जो होता है, तो ये जो मशीन है ना, सम ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड्स द फास्ट वेव टू बी कंप्रेशनल एंड सम ऑफ द मशीन रिकॉर्ड्स फास्ट वेव टू बी डायलेशनल. ये रिमेंबर करो आप कैसे होता है वो. पॉइंट इज दैट why some machines receives compressional waves, why some machines receive dilational waves. तो suppose ये movement ऐसे हुआ, what type of movement it is? Right lateral movement हुआ. तो right lateral movement होने से draw a ellipse here, to draw a ellipse here. ये ellipse draw किया ना, तो क्या होगा कि 4 सेक्टर में आप डिवाइड करो, तो ये सेक्टर में this sector all these waves will be compressional. ये सेक्टर में ऑल दिस वेव्स विल बी डायलेशनल. ये भी डायलेशनल हो, ये भी कंप्रेशनल हो, ऐसे ही होगा. तो योर मशीन्स विल रिकॉर्ड इन हियर कंप्रेशनल वेव्स, मशीन्स विल बी सिटिंग हियर इट विल रिकॉर्ड द डायलेशनल वेव्स. तो इसका पिक्चर ऐसे बना के वो देगा. तो सब कंप्रेशनल के तरफ एलिप्स का लंबर एक्सिस जाता है. ये रिमेंबर करना. आप सबको अंदर जो फॉल्ट आप पे हुआ, आप एक ऐसे एक लाइन ड्रॉ करो, तो देयर विल 4 सेक्टर्स एंड यू विल सी आउट ऑफ दिस 4 सेक्टर्स 2 सेक्टर्स विल बी रिकॉर्डिंग कंप्रेशनल वेव्स, अदर 2 सेक्टर्स विल बी रिसीविंग द डायलेशनल वेव्स. जिस तरह कंप्रेशनल वेव आएगा यू ड्रॉ द एलिप्स, तो सॉफ्टवेयर पर एक्सेप्ट करता है. from this ellipse, you know, you can put whether it is right lateral fault or the left lateral fault, you can identify. So like this, you know, strike slip fault, frost faults, normal faults can be identified, you know, with this fault plane solution. So आप क्या करते हैं, ये जो all over the world we have seismographs, all over the world लाखों लाखों seismograph बैठा हुआ है. कहीं earthquake होता है ना, तो फटाक से रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. And they give a solution telling whether a strike slip fault is taking place here or a thrust taking place here or Java Sumatera में thrust होता है, फटाक से बोल के दे देता है. The technique is this. So wherever there is a fault, there will be this is a fault plane. This is called nodal plane. This is called nodal plane. So nodal plane and fault plane, they make 4 sectors. Out of those 4 sectors, 2 sectors will be compressional, 2 sectors will be directional. So the compressional sectors will be having the longer axis of the strain ellipse. So from this you can orient your strain ellipse and calculate what is right lateral, left lateral, thrust और normal slip सब निकल जाता है. तो इसलिए जो आप ये जो मार्क क्या है ना, subduction zone, in the subduction zone. How do you know that the thrust plane is looking like this or thrusting is happening there? Because of this. Andaman में वो thrusting is happening like this. Nobody can see the thrust. It is inside the sea. तो कैसे पता लगता है? So from this seismographs only, seismographs sitting in Burma, seismographs sitting in India. So they will record different types of waves. From the different types of waves, they give a solution like this. So follow this point ना. थोड़ा इसको टाइम लगेगा इसको पढ़ाने के लिए. General structural जो cover होता है, GPS people cover it, but it is very easy. Fault plane solution for earthquakes. Anyway, but you remember this much at least as part of my existing chapter. If you have read, you can revise it.